Hello students, now let's find out the density of milk. So first we have to take the weight of empty cap, make it 0, 0. The weight of empty cap is 1.14 gram. Now we have to add milk here. So it is 10.18 gram. So weight of empty cap plus milk is 10.18 gram. So we have to find out the weight of milk now. 10.18 gram minus 1.14 gram. 9.04 gram is the weight of the milk. Now volume of the milk is 10 ml. Now we can find out the density of milk. So weight is 9.04 gram. Volume is 10 ml. Then density of milk is 9.04 divided by 10. 0.904 gram per ml. So if you can remember the density of water, that is 1, and density of milk is 0.904 gram per ml. So very close to the density of water. So let's see, if I mix water and milk, what happens. So this is water. Now I'm going to add, okay, let me first add milk. Same amount of water I will take. Now what is happening? Can you see any layer? No. There is no layer is forming. So that means water and milk has now dissolved completely. There we can't see any kind of layer. Now let's compare the other two liquids. This is oil plus water. This one honey plus water, and third one is the milk plus water. Now what you can observe? You can observe that when we are mixing oil and water, oil is floating over the liquid, because over liquid means I am talking about the water here. So that means oil has less density than water. Second one, honey plus water. Here you can see honey is bottom layer and water in the top layer. So that means density of honey is more than water. Third, milk plus water. Here we cannot see any two layer, any difference. Both have mixed together. So that means their density difference is very less. So that's why they are not forming the two layers. Hope you understand. The solubility of the two liquids depends on the density. Solubility means two liquids will be, when you mix, it will be completely dissolved. You cannot find out any layers. So when you find out the two layers, that means two liquids are not soluble. So density will decide that what will be the solubility of the two liquids. Hope you like the experiment, and you will do similar kind of experiment at home to find out the density of various liquids and check their solubility. Thank you for watching.